Okay, good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to state the null and alternative hypothesis given three different statistical studies or situations. And to state hypothesis correctly, kailangan matranslate natin yung conjecture or claim from words papunta doon sa ating mathematical symbols. And I have here the basic symbols that we're going to use in stating the null and alternative hypothesis. We have the equal to, not equal to, greater than, and less than symbols. And also, remember, kapag ang ating problem or situations involves a directional hypothesis, that is a two-tailed test. Okay? At kapag yung ating alternative hypothesis is um, directional, ang gagamitin nating test in finding solution to our situations is a right-tailed test or a left-tailed test. In stating the null and alternative hypothesis para do sa ating two-tailed test, we write mu equals k. Ibig sabihin nun, in-state natin that there is no difference yung ating value from the population. Okay? Ibig sabihin kasi pag null hypothesis, it is a statement that there is no difference between the parameter and a specific value. Okay? And when we say the alternative hypothesis, ibig sabihin yon, there is a difference, okay, between the parameter and the specific value. So in symbol, we write mu not equal to k for the alternative, and for the null hypothesis, we write mu equal to k, where k represents a specified or a specific number. For a right-tailed test, our null hypothesis is the same as the null hypothesis and two-tailed test. Pare-pareha sila kasi pag sinabi natin null hypothesis, there is no difference. So in symbol, we write mu equals to k, and for the alternative, mu is greater than k. So ibig sabihin nun, right-tailed test yung ating ginagamit na test about the situation involving hypothesis testing. Okay, for left-tailed test, we have the null hypothesis is mu equal to k. Ang ating alternative hypothesis is mu is less than the k. So I'm going to give you three examples in writing the null or stating the null and alternative hypothesis. Okay, let us consider situation A and sulat natin o state natin yung null and alternative hypothesis for this situation. It says, a medical researcher is interested in finding out whether a new medication will have any undesirable effects, and he is particularly concerned with the pulse rate of the patients who take the medication. Will the pulse rate increase, decrease, or remain unchanged after a patient takes the medication? If the mean pulse rate for the population under study is 82 beats per minute, state the null and alternative hypothesis. So this is situation letter A natin. Hindi nakalagay dito kung yung mga patients natin ay mag-i-increase ang kanyang pulse rate right after taking the medication. Hindi rin nakalagay dito that after taking the medication, yung pulse rate of the patients will decrease. Okay? And so therefore, this is a non-directional test. So therefore, we're going to apply the two-tailed test in writing or stating the null and alternative hypothesis. Remember, ang given natin dito is 82 beats per minute. This is the population mean pulse rate. Okay? That is the population mean pulse rate. At ito yung value ng K natin. It represents a specified number dun sa ating population under study. At ito yung population mean. Okay? So, ilagay natin yung ating null and alternative hypothesis. Again, ulitin ko, hindi naka-specify kung yung medicine will increase or decrease the pulse rate of the patients who took the medicine. So, therefore, ito ang gagamitin natin in stating the null and alternative hypothesis. Okay? So, therefore, our null hypothesis is, okay, ang ating null hypothesis is mu equal to 82 bits per minute. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pag nag-sampling tayo, ang ating sample mean will not be different from the population mean, which is 82 bits per minute. For the alternative hypothesis, which is the negation of the null hypothesis, if mu equal to 80, therefore, the negation of this equation will be mu is not equal to 82. Okay? Mu not equal to 82. So, ganun ang pag-state ng ating null and alternative hypothesis. Yung ating null hypothesis here means that the mean pulse rate of the patients will remain unchanged. Okay? While yung ating alternative hypothesis states that it will be different from the population. Okay? So that is a two-tailed test. And I'm going to give you the second and third example para dito sa topic na to on my next video. Thank you.